Welcome back to our trouser pattern making, and now we want to see the components of the trouser we want to work with. We remove the back and we're going to work majorly on the front. So we need a pieces for the zipper fly. We need three of this for the zipper fly, and the width of this is 2 inches by 7 inches. Okay, 2 inches at the width and 7 inches for the length. We'll need three of these. When we want to fix the zipper fly, I will show us how to go about this, but for your pattern this is what you need: a width of 2 inches and a length of 7 inches. We need to attach this to the front part of the trouser block so that we can cut the band all together. All right, we can cut the band all together. So we're trying to pin it together so that we can trace everything out at the same time. All right, so at the lower part of this we're going to curve the edge. It shouldn't be so sharp. We need to curve the edge of the pieces. So that is what is just done, after which you use your scissors to cut it out. Use your scissors to cut it out. It shouldn't be so sharp. All right, so this will make the work more easier for you. Now at this point we're cutting a standard band of 1.5 down to that zipper fly. 1.5 from the edge of the pattern. The same goes to the back. 1.5, and rule it and then cut it out. You can trace it on another paper, but then we're entirely going to cut it out, because if you allow it, it's going to add to the length of the trouser. So you need to mark so as to indicate which side is facing up and which side is facing down, and which is the center, front and side. The same goes to the back. Which side is facing up, identify it as CBS as side back, and then CB as the center back. So you need to indicate all of this to help you when you want to fix it back. Okay, now we're moving over to the pocket, the side pocket. At the side pocket there I marked 2.5 inches, and then the length is 7 inches as well. Okay, 2.5 inches for the width and 7 inches for the length. And you can use a slight curve or even a straight rule to connect the two dots together. Okay, connect it together. This is the mouth of the pocket. Okay, so from there, from that 2.5 inches, we are taking 3 inches. You can equally take 3.5, but we're taking 3 inches. This will serve as the pocket facing. From where the 7 inches stopped, you can mark 3 inches down, 3 to 4 inches down, 3 to 4 inches down. Okay, whichever one you want to use is okay, depending on the size of your hand. Now you're going to connect these lines together. That is for the pocket fly, for the pocket facing rather. Okay, so we want to see how we can connect these lines together to make it easy for us to connect the lines in a well shaped manner. So we connected it this way. Okay, and then made a slight curve at the edge. You can choose to do yours like this or find another way that is easier for you to do it. This is our pocket facing. Pocket facing. Now the next thing we're going to trace is pocket bag. For the pocket bag, we're taking everything from the edge of the pattern to where our pocket facing stops. The same thing, but this time we're not going to cut from the slant of the pocket. We're taking everything. The slant of the pocket is the pocket facing, while everything on that pattern is the pocket bag. Okay, so while cutting, we're going to cut this 2 inches by 7 out on the main trouser, and then the pocket bag will have to replace this. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are cutting two of each of this. For the pocket bag, we're cutting two, and for the pocket facing, we're cutting two.